Z ordering of objects. All objects that appear on the screen have a property called the Z order. This is really just a number that indicates the object's order within the array of objects. When the program draws the objects on a label, it simply draws them one at a time, starting with the number 0 Z-order object, then the number 1 Z-order object, then the number 2 Z-order object, and so on until the last object with the highest Z-order gets drawn. So Z-order numbers can actually start counting from 0. These numbers are also sometimes referred to as index numbers. Usually the Z-order is not significant because most label designs will contain objects that don't overlap at all. However, what if you wanted to have some overlap between objects? You may then want to have some control over their Z-order. The following label design will illustrate why the Z-order is important when objects overlap. In this design template, we have 3 geometric objects that overlap each other. Now, you may be able to tell that the yellow circle is on the bottom and the aqua rectangle is in the middle, while the black line object is on top of the other 2 objects. Now, right-click the rectangle, and when you see the pop-up menu item that says Send to Back, select that item. Note how the rectangle now appears to be behind the other 2 items. Again, right-click the rectangle, and this time select the Bring to Front menu item. Note how the line object must now be behind the yellow object and the rectangle. The rectangle is on top of everything. Now right-click the yellow circle and choose the Bring to Front menu item. The yellow circle is now on top of the other 2 objects. Finally, right-click the right part of the line and choose Bring to Front. Now the line object is on top of the other 2 objects. We have demonstrated how to move objects to the front or back in terms of their Z-order. You can also select the View menu and choose to show the index numbers. You will then see each object display its Z-order number. These numbers only display temporarily. The next time you click on the label, all these numbers will disappear. However, you can view the index numbers at any time by reselecting the View menu item to show the index numbers.